Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look just a local picture for BTC. I don't want to dive into the weekly time frame, daily time frame. Let's focus on the local one. So today is Tuesday, but what I realize, usually the dump happen after the weekend on Wednesday, on Tuesday. But yesterday, there was the day off on United States market, so it looks like the Tuesday now it's like Monday, usual Monday, right? All right, so this may be just some. Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look just a local zone where more than okay. Try to open futures long. I can be wrong, guys, but I share my idea, my plan. Now, personally, for me, it's risky to open trade it. This is a 4-hour time frame chart. Global targets, you know if you watched the previous videos. Now I would like to focus only on this range, because we rebound on the futures Binance in this one. February 6th at 59,800. It's a round number, so usually we not leave that round numbers. That's why we can come back and sweep that liquidity one more time, and only after that recover back. But some positive moments for the BTC. I never seen it before, but on the CoinGlass, it's showing us the liquidation heat map on the daily time frame, BTC USDT perp, without any liquidity pools for liquidation below that level. Extra bullish. But don't fall in some FOMO or the greeds to go all in now, because we don't see some liquidations levels. Of course, if we zoom out, but it's not allowed to us to double check on a weekly time frame. Definitely some liquidity pools on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, and higher time frames, of course. But the main pool now, what I would like to see on rebounds, it's and I explain it. So if we will, come on, why are you lagging? If we will see, for example, by timing, some rebound to 99, 300, or even this one like 112, and reject, it's going to be the confirmation of the continuation of the downtrend to the maybe 50K or even the 40K or 38. So the bottom, I guess, will be around 35, 42K. So at this current moment, I shared my idea previously. But this is a personally for me extra bullish moment. So no liquidations by heat map. It's only one indicator under. All liquidity is above. It means everybody now open short, more short. And of course, one day we will come back and liquidate and hunt that liquidity. All right, locally. Now, a lot of people can open long now, but I think it's, it can be too early. Why? Because I realize it's not a guarantee, but I find out by stats, usually the Tuesday it's dump. So if we get a positive weekend, right? So Saturday, Sunday, so we pump it. So from Friday, here we start pumping. We pump it from 65 to 70K, so 5K. We pump it on a weekend. It means usually we dump on Tuesday. But now it's a Tuesday. And the problem is today we can a little bit pump, because yesterday there was day off on United States markets. So that's a point. That's why this Tuesday is like usual Monday. All right, so locally, guys, I think now for me it's kind of risky to open futures trade, because here, where to add a stop loss? On the previous day low, it's like 1%, 54. So maybe you can try it. You can see we are just trade in a tiny range. So 70K 107 and 67 to 177. So stop loss under this low, maybe. This is an auto block on a 4-hour time frame. But usually what I also so many times, we make this like McDonald's chart, McDonald's pattern. Now we can hunt this local liquidity on 4-hour time frame. This one. So I'm going to add the alert to, I don't know, around 64,700. Form like this M. The best option, of course, is form something like this one, grab this liquidity and stop at 58,750 54, for example, not round number, and recover move. By the way, today the Chinese New Year. I have to double check what's happened before on the previous one. So I think yes, I think we can drop to open a short position. Is also kind of risky. So 3%, 63. So guys, it's hard to say. Honestly, my vision is here. So I wish to see better, of course, sweep of this liquidity pool by end of the February, right? And the reversal move during the spring, March, April, May, 3 months up only, right? And maybe a lot of people also now see these heat maps. So, oh, there is no liquidity. Have to open the all-in, go long. Maybe it's going to be a good decision, but I don't think so. So, personally, for me, maybe I will try open long position if we talk about a futures somewhere here. Stop loss, I don't know, 7%, so 14% with second leverage, no, makes sense. So maybe around here, I'm gonna double check, of course, in the present moment. Now it's hard to say. Hard to say where exactly to open trade, and I will not add the limit order now, so I'm gonna wait. So locally, let's take a look, the focus on the 4 time frame, 1 hour time frame. 4 time frame, it's like a hopium, so many people now in hope. 1 hour time frame, it's disbelief. I'll recommend you, by the way, use this new indicator sessions, give you a lot of confirmations and a lot of new data about the chart. So locally, I can see the BTC today can go over the 69,326, sweep the Asia session, and after that, continue rally down to hunt the. So the Asia session today, like tomorrow, will hunt the liquidity of New York session of February 12th. So it's my idea, So maybe here makes sense. Try to open short, but of course, guys, it's up to you. Here with 1.4% stop loss against the 6. So with 5x leverage, so it's like 9% stop loss against the 30% take profit. All right, maybe it makes sense. Now it's disbelief capitulation on a 1 hour time frame. So we like build a tiny range, this one, but this liquidity pool, I don't like. Would be good to see the sweep. And even better, the lowest one. But I don't think so. We will see the lowest one. ADZ direction. So it's neutral. This was accumulation. If we go and sweep that low, we're going to form the bigger divergency. And it's going to be a bullish one. Now, no signals to buy on direction on 4 hour time frame. Now we focus on the 4 hour time frame chart. Take a look at the market mood. I showed you money power. Money power locally, no money inflow. So last money inflow was here, February 11. After that, we sweep on Asia session, pump. That was the weekend sell-off from the whales. You see how they 1, 2, 3, 4 hour candles up while they fix the profit. Smart money. And now we dump without any money inflow. All right, so I'm better wait, guys. Trade on. Buy, no signals to sell yet on the 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. Sell, yes. I'm gonna add alert to take profit from sale. This one, and I hope it's gonna be here around. It's hard to say by days, but I guess Friday or maybe end of Wednesday. We will see. And take profit, of course, guys. Daily. We tested, till penny, we tested the buy line here, and buy line again, test 57,592. For me, personally, it's going to be the best option if we test this buy line on the daily. Again, sweep all of this liquidity pool and skyrocket to the moon. March, April, May to 114, and after that, we have to double check what's going on with the market, with the BTC. Locally, guys, all targets I showed you for the futures trades. Right, please in the comment what you think about BTC. Are we going lower, or we can go all in now, open long? Subscribe channel. Don't forget Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.